Everyone, I'm excited to show you another demo video of Tublian Developer Agent. This time we're going to have the agent work on the code base of agent itself. So we are looking at the TOS dev agent code base here. In this code base, this is a Python code base. In this code base, we have added the agent as a collaborator. So I've recently just created an issue for this. This is actually a real issue with the agent. The agent has a CLI interface that our developer uses that. Using that interface, you instruct agent, you point the agent to a repository, you assign an issue for the agent to work on. So what we want to do is that we essentially want to simplify that interface. Instead of providing the repo name and issue name separately, a user can just provide the issue URL like this here, for an example. The issue URL should have all the information that that agent needs to solve the problem. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to assign that this issue to our agent. The agent is also, like I said, is a collaborator to its own code base. So in typical scenarios, this is good enough. The agent will get notification that issue got assigned to that agent, and it will start working on it. For this demo purposes, I'm gonna invoke the UI interface and show you the steps that agents goes through typically when it tries to solve the problem. So I'm going to go to my terminal in here and try to invoke. I've already pointed the agent to that issue. So what that agent now going to do is that read the contents of the issue and identify the structure of the project. It goes through the various different steps. Typically grouped into first the planning phase, triaging the issue, then identify, then going through the implementation phase, and then finally code generation and pull request. Agent might spend a few minutes doing this, so I'm going to fast forward this section of the video. All right, looks like our agent is done with processing. As you can see, it has gone through many steps in here to come up with a solution. So let's look at the pull request it generated. So we are on the same issue. Looks like it's actually a generated pull request for this issue. So take a look at the pull request here. In the pull request, typically agent lists down all the steps that it has taken to solve that issue. That includes problem summary, solution plan, implementation plan, also any verification steps. This could include running linters, unit test cases. It will also, if there is any failure, it will also try to automatically fix those. So let's look at the change it made here. This looks promising. So I did ask the agent to essentially remove the existing couple of parameters that we talked about. Instead, just pass an URL. So it's essentially added the code where it's taking the URL, parsing the URL based on the GitHub parameter, figuring out the owner, repo name, and issue ID. That's exactly what we care about here. And essentially finally passing those repo name and issue ID to the callback to handle that. So that was a quick demo of how we are using, we are dogfooding essentially using agent to build the agent. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.